So one of the things that you're going to do is you're going to create a bunch of these arrows right here from just scrap board, okay? And then you're going to take them back to your site, okay, after you have done your site analysis. All right, so for example, when you do your site analysis, you're going to take your pen or your pencil, and you are going to show where the different angles are for the view. All right, so as an example, I'm just going to throw some stuff out on this one, and I'm not going to do it correctly because I don't want the people that have site B or site A to have an advantage. So I'm just going to kind of draw something and understand that I'm faking it. Okay. Is there a Sharpie over there?
I do not see one, but I certainly have them. Oh, here they are. Sharpie at the yin yang.
All right, so I'm going to use a Sharpie. That way the camera picks it up well. All right, so I'm going to do something along the lines of, I'm going to draw a line out this way, and I'm going to list off the bearing angle, and I'm just going to write some numbers. These are not correct, so do not use these. Okay, so let's see, 360, 350, 340, 330, 330 degrees, and I'm going to say that it goes to this way, and I'm going to say that that's 10 degrees, right? And I'm going to make a notation here that this is the water tower. And then I'm going to put another one over here, like this, and I'm going to say this is the ugly tract houses. And I'll do another one out this way, and I'll say this is vineyards, right? And I gotta find the numbers for these. So this one here is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So this one's 50 degrees. And this one here is 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 140. I'm going to say that the barn is over here, and this is 180, right? And then I'm going to say that the rest of this area here is vineyards to about here. So until about 27, to about 300. So 300. So I write the numbers down all the way around based on my site, based on what I see over there on that little diorama, okay? And what I want to do is I want to take my big site and I want to put arrows facing in those directions, okay, on my big site, okay? But one of the things that you have to do first is to cut out a bunch of these arrows. And so I think you're going to need something on the order of, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, at a minimum 6 of these, okay? And so with the 6 of them, you can then put a label in between as to what is where. The important thing is that you guys start to use this to make decisions about your design. So here's my little thing that I've got here. So I'm going to just trace it real quick and cut it out. And then I'm going to cut out 6 of them. All right. You might want to cut a few extra ones out. So there's my little arrow, knife. Okay, I'm recording. That thing doesn't have a pause, and my knife is gone. I borrow someone's knife quickly. Quickly, my knife is gone. I'm gonna have to start locking this box back up. Well, people come in, they grab something, they borrow it, then they don't put it back, and it just causes a problem. So that's going to be one of your tasks, Natalie. Is this box now needs to be in that cabinet and locked up. Thank you very much, Mr. McElroy. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this sucker out. All right, and so there is one of my arrows. So you guys need to cut about 6 or 7 or 8 of these out, okay? And remember that you're going to use them. Hand me that large sight that's over there. Bring that thing over. You guys are going to use them around the edges of your sight, right, to point to where the views are. Please understand that when you pin these down, it requires 2 pins per arrow, or they'll just spin on you. So like, if I put 1 pin there, it can move, right? But if I put the 2 pins in it, it pretty much locks it in. All right? Any questions about that? All right, go ahead and stop that.